Jamaica 1.
Wow. Now here this way is going to get interesting. Now it's going to really get.
Check, check.
All right. Which is the number? Who is that? That's the Jamaican team there. That's they're very on the toes. Yes.
Here's an first live opportunity for Jamaica. Right, he's around the goalie.
And the Jamaica scored.
With like about 6 minutes in, which is a good start. It's the same thing that they are team.
Here come Lauderhill on the attack, through ball.
Oh,
and even the score.
Even the score. Oh, the Lauderhill guys are really putting it up. They're really putting on the pressure onto the Jamaican select team. Because they are hungry and they are, of course.
Like what he's doing so far. He checks his shoulder to the left, he checks to the right, and he knows where his field awareness is. Yes, Brian Bucket. I like that young man so far. Seems like he has a lot of brain for the game.
Turn. Another through ball for Lauderhill. And
my God.
It's 2.
Yes. Brilliant play. That was a brilliant play.
I tell you, Lauderhill came out to play.
Yeah, they came for the fight. They are prepared.
Comes the Lions once more on the attack.
Yes.
Long shot.
Oh my God.
Beautiful
That was
save.
a beautiful save. I personally have been looking for more from the Jamaican team, to be honest with you.
Come the Lions once more.
The Lions is roaring tonight. They're doing an awesome job. I can't see to say anything less.
They're doing well. They're
Team.
And the Lions don't seem to be letting down at all.
No. The Lions are really performing well tonight. They really are. Oh. All right. Number 10.
That's Kevon Wilson. He'll score. I know he'll score.
Oh. He scored.
Number 10, Kevon Wilson.
Number 10. That's Wilson.
Yeah.
Kevon Wilson. He was very strong. He was very determined. Now the teams more or less they will get back some energy now and will really feel themselves on this equal footing to play.
Like I said,
Mr. Miller. What Daniel just did in order to get another goal before he got into the halftime.
Whisper in my ears and says that the Jamaican number 10, which is Kevon Wilson, who also plays for me here in Florida, is looking real good. And I got
their players are all looking good, but I guess your guy is also looking good too. There's 2 good teams on the field. You know? They're not bad.
That Samuel Birdie also told me he would love to see Jamaica and Inter Miami in the finals.
In the finals, and that is where the crux of the matter, and that's where the chickens will come home to roost with that.
Yes, Nigel predicted that yesterday that would be a good finals.
It would be an excellent finals. And control. No.
That's
received by number 11.
10. This number 10.
By number 10, yes.
This number 10 for
Jason Evans. Yes. Now they're trying to set up a stone wall for this one. No, all the way over there. A good try. It's across to Patrick. Left. Control. Now Patrick has responsibility now to make a turn. He's been recognized for making some good turns here. Let me see what he does with it. No, to try, but now that's a foul. Jamaican team. Number 16 from the Jamaica side. That's Jaheim Johnson.
It's a save.
Wow! Oh my God! What a miserable try.
Like I said before,
the goalkeeper was brilliant. The goalkeeper from Lauderhill is brilliant. He's really ready. He's really ready. All it can get. Ah. Wow. And here it comes. No, this is going to be a tight one.
Awesome work.
They're playing very carefully. They're very, very carefully now.
You're about to
Yeah.
go in the last
Not
two
don't
minutes.
want to get too spectacular at the same time, you know. They get an opportunity to put a goal in, they'll put it in. Otherwise than that, they just want to make sure that they keep it where it's at. The both teams are being very cautious and careful at this time.
Yes, they have to be at this point. It's the last crack of
Number
the
two.
whistle. Last 2 minutes of the game.
Yeah. We only have 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes of game.
We're gonna take time out to thank Flex FM for this kind of work that they've been doing. Over the years, we were not privileged to see
See the game
the
anyway.
sports right around, not just in Lauderhill, but right around the world. And Flex FM have done a tremendous job.
Wow.
Shot on goal.
The goal is earning his salary and his commission and everything else. No, the goalie is working. He's at work. He's
He
on
has
the
done a
job.
tremendous job.
He's on the job.
A very good job.
Yeah. I hope he's spotted before the season is done.
I've heard about him for quite some time.
Before the Classics is finished, I hope he's
First I've
spotted.
seen him in
Give him an
production.
opportunity to really get some more training and to be able to start. I know the national squad. The national squad right now. The national squad.
That's a beautiful picture right
Yeah.
there.
The national
Jamaica,
squad. Yes.
So helping Lauderhill.
Yeah, that's
They're
good.
Getting cramped up.
The national squad needs
Well
you
done,
taking
Blake.
up?
I gotta give it to
Taking
you,
up
Blake.
this one?
That's sportsmanship.
That's number 10. Injured, number 10. 1 minute of the game left, basically. Yes.
Final minute of the game.
Yeah. Number
Must be
10 is
like-
escorted out by his
it's a good
coach.
old duel, so
Yes.
they're coming in and they gave it all. They gave it their all.
Oh, yes. They really played a great game and they must be commended.
I sit from
It's-
here and I look across and I see that sign of Coastal Wellness Center.
Yes.
I think Lauderhill players need to go see the Coastal Wellness people so they can get some good massage for such hard work.
We wish